How to buy cryptocurrency on OKX Wallet app. If you wish to buy cryptocurrency on the OKX Wallet app, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. So first of all, launch the OKX application, and this is a type of interface that you'll be able to see. What you want to do from here is tap on the multiple dots icon which you can find on the top left of the screen. So when you tap on it, you will see your email ID and so on. But since we're trying to buy crypto, tap on the plus button that says buy and then tap on it. So here, before you try to buy crypto, it will ask you to make sure that you have verified your account. So if you haven't, tap on the verify now option and go about verifying your document and ID. Once you've verified it, when you tap the buy button, you can choose the asset you want to buy, enter the amount in the terms of currency for the amount that you wish to buy, and once you confirm the transactions, you have successfully bought cryptocurrency on OKX Wallet. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.